Want to avoid those annoying home renovation delays that totally mess up your schedule and budget? Alright, so first off, you gotta plan your site prep like a boss. Make sure you clear out all the clutter around your work area so contractors can actually move without tripping over stuff. You want to have clear access routes for trucks and equipment, or else they'll just sit there wasting time. Also, check if you need any permits or inspections before starting. No one wants work stopped halfway because of missing paperwork. Try to have a spot ready for dumping debris and materials so it's not a mess everywhere. Communicate with your contractors about when and where deliveries should happen. It makes everything smoother. If you've got neighbors, give them a heads up so they aren't surprised by the noise or traffic. Lastly, double-check the weather forecast and plan for any bad days so you're not caught off guard with outdoor work. One of the biggest mistakes people make with site preparation is not having a clear access plan, which causes major delays when trucks or equipment can't get in or out easily. Fix this by mapping out your driveway and paths ahead of time, making sure everything is wide and sturdy enough. Another common issue is neglecting to get proper permits or inspections beforehand, leading to work stoppages or fines. Always check local rules and get the paperwork done early. Lastly, not organizing waste disposal properly leads to cluttered sites and safety hazards. Set up a designated spot for trash and recycling to keep things running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, saving you from endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors find real work by matching them with people who need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.